Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the 9th class of our Clo3d for Beginners course. We are going to learn how to change fabric in Clo3d and create a stunning leather dress. Let's get started. First, open the avatar. If you're new to Clo3d, be sure to check out my Clo3d playlist where you can get up to speed with the basics. You'll find the avatar folder in the library. Double-click to open any folder and select your avatar. Now, for creating this leather dress, you'll need separate patterns for the top and the skirt. We'll start by opening the top pattern. Go to the garment folder in the library and find the pattern you need. Double-click to open it and let's start working on our design. Next, let's start by creating a sweetheart neckline. Use the internal polygon tool to draw the neckline shape. Double-click on the last point where you want to stop. Select the line, right-click, and choose Cut. Delete the cut part to complete the neckline. Moving on to the sleeves, first, make it a one-piece pattern. Delete the back sleeve pattern. Select the center of the sleeve pattern with the Edit Pattern tool, right-click, and choose Unfold to open it fully. After unfolding, you need to stitch the sleeve pattern all over again to ensure it aligns properly. Now, add fullness to the sleeve hem using the Fullness tool, which works like the cut and slash method to add the desired flare. To complete the sleeve, create a band using the rectangle tool. Make the band small to show the gather. Once done, stitch the band to the sleeve hem to secure it. Now let's move on to the skirt. Take the polygon tool and start by drawing a rectangle directly over the top. We want the same waist size so we can stitch it together easily. You can choose any length for the skirt. Next, add flare to the skirt using the Fullness tool. If you want a second layer, copy and paste the pattern using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Then, select the hemline with the Edit Pattern tool and increase the length as desired. If you feel the flare is still not enough, you can add more fullness now. Now, it's time to make the back side pattern. Select both layers of the skirt and copy them with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+R to paste them. For the other side of the skirt, select all the skirt pattern pieces and use Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+D to mirror the pattern. Before placing the pattern on the avatar, first color both layers differently to see them clearly. This will help in distinguishing between the layers during the placement process. Now, place the pattern on the avatar using the Gizmo tool. Start stitching the pieces together. Since the skirt waist has so many points, it can be difficult to sew with the segment sewing tool. Instead, use the free sewing tool, which makes it easier to sew the skirt waist to the top. After stitching, it's time to change the fabric. You'll find the fabric folder in the library. Double-click to open it. You have options like denim, sheep fabric, cotton, and many more. Try them out and see which one you like best. And to apply these fabrics, simply click and drag them onto your patterns. Some fabrics will appear in the property editor. To activate a fabric, click on the one you want to apply. In the material type section, you can choose options like shiny fabric, silk, satin, velvet, and more. To see the changes clearly, first color the fabric and you'll notice how it affects the look of your garment. Note that some fabrics are marked as render only, which means you can't use them right away. Now, take the leather fabric and apply it to your dress. Our dress is ready. To capture some snapshots with the avatar, go to File, Snapshot, 3D window. To remove the avatar, press Shift+A, and to show the avatar again, press Shift+A once more. You can also remove the avatar by going to Display Avatar. Now, take a snapshot without the avatar to showcase just the dress. And that's it for today's class. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Be sure to check out my Clo3d for beginners playlist for additional lessons and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. See you in the next class. Bye.